Two exciting Nikon cameras are on the horizon, the Nikon Z7III and the Nikon Z9H. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic hobbyist, these upcoming models could be game changers for your photography. But with both offering some enticing features, which one is worth waiting for? In this comparison, we'll take a look at what's being said about the Z7III and Z9H, focusing on their rumored specs and what they might bring to the table. Hopefully, this will help you decide which camera is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to rumors about the Nikon Z7III, the internet is teeming with speculation. From leaked specifications to wild predictions, you can find almost anything you want to hear about this camera online. Want an 88 megapixel sensor? There's a rumor for that. How about a 90 MP sensor? Sure, that too. While these rumors might spark some excitement, it's important to sift through the noise and focus on what's more likely to be true. One of the key expectations for the Z7III is a bump in resolution. The Z7 II already boasts a 45.7 megapixel sensor, so many are hoping the Z7 III will take things further, although something around the 60 MP mark feels more realistic. This would position it as a high-resolution camera aimed at landscape, studio, and fine art photographers who prioritize detail above all else. In terms of processing power, the Z7 III is expected to feature Nikon's XSpeed 7 processor, delivering a performance boost over its predecessor. This could mean faster burst shooting speeds and improved autofocus capabilities, making the camera more versatile for a variety of shooting conditions. However, some sources suggest it could stick with a dual XSpeed 6 setup, so we'll have to wait and see how Nikon chooses to play this. Video capabilities are another area where the Z7 III could see significant improvements. While the Z7 II already supports 4K video at up to 60 FPS, the Z7 III might take it up a notch with 4K 120 FPS or even 8K recording. This would make it more competitive with the video-focused cameras on the market, appealing to hybrid shooters who want both high-res photos and advanced video options. While the Nikon Z7 III seems focused on resolution and versatility, the Nikon Z9H is all about speed. Designed to compete directly with the Canon R1, R3, and Sony A9 III, the Z9H is rumored to pack a 20.4 megapixel sensor. While that might seem low compared to the Z7 III, this camera is aimed squarely at sports, wildlife, and action photographers who prioritize speed and responsiveness over sheer megapixels. The sensor in the Z9H is rumored to have a readout speed of 0.4 milliseconds, which would allow for lightning-fast burst shooting with minimal rolling shutter. This is critical for capturing fast-moving subjects like athletes or animals, where every millisecond counts. Paired with Nikon's dual XSpeed 7 processor, even though XSpeed 8 exists, Nikon seems to be testing this model with dual XSpeed 7. The Z9H could deliver some of the fastest performance we've seen in a mirrorless camera. One of the standout features of the Z9H is its rumored flash sync speed of up to 1/2000 sec. This would be a game-changer for photographers who rely on artificial lighting, such as in studio settings or when freezing motion in bright outdoor conditions. The ability to sync a flash at such high speeds opens up new creative possibilities, especially when combined with the camera's high-speed shooting capabilities. Battery life and durability are expected to be top-notch, especially considering the Z9's robust build. The Z9H will likely follow in its footsteps, offering professional-level durability and weather sealing. This makes it ideal for those shooting in demanding environments, such as sports arenas or wildlife reserves. As for video, the Z9H may not focus as heavily on video features as the Z7 III, but it's still expected to deliver solid performance in that area. With the dual XSpeed 7 processors, it should be able to handle 4K 120 FPS video with ease, making it a versatile tool for both stills and motion work. For release date, the Z9H is expected to hit the market around late 2024 or early 2025. If the rumors are true, it could become the go-to camera for action photographers who need speed, reliability, and durability in a single package. Now, the big question: Nikon Z7 III or Nikon Z9H? It all comes down to what kind of photographer you are and what your priorities are in a camera. If you're someone who values resolution and versatility, the Nikon Z7 III might be worth the wait. It's likely to offer a higher megapixel count, making it perfect for landscape, portrait, and studio work. Plus, with potential improvements in video capabilities, it could also be a great choice for hybrid shooters who need both high-quality stills and video. On the other hand, if speed is your top priority, whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or any other fast-moving subject, the Nikon Z9H is the camera to watch. With its rumored 20.4 megapixel sensor, ultra-fast readout speed, and 2000 sec flash sync, it promises to be a powerhouse for action photography. The Z9H is designed to compete with the likes of the Canon R3 and Sony A9 III, so if you need top-tier performance and responsiveness, this might be the one to wait for. Ultimately, both cameras offer exciting potential, but they cater to very different types of photographers. If you're unsure which one to wait for, think about your shooting style and what features matter most to you. Either way, Nikon has something impressive in the pipeline. So, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.